We're travelling the length of Britain to see some truly awe-inspiring restoration work. We start at the Raymond Quarry project's Binnegar Quarry in Wareham in Dorset. This quarry sits alongside the Dorset Heathland Special Protection Area and other sites of special scientific interest. 8 hectares of land, once bare soil and overburdened moulds, have been carefully restored. It's been colonised by birch, rhododendron, gorse, heather and pine, creating lowland acid grassland and heathland. Reptiles like sand lizard and smooth snake are thriving along with birds including the nightjar, the Dartford warbler and woodlark. The rare silver-studded blue butterfly is now flying at Binnegar amongst rare protected flowers and plants, including the penny royal. The judges think this is an interesting experiment in translocating a protected plant species which, although still in its early stages, appears to be successful.
Pennyroyal in this area is reasonably common, but UK-wide and EU-wide it's particularly rare, particularly in its natural habitat. So we had a requirement to find a receptor site to translocate the pennyroyal to, and the pennyroyal is quite particular about areas that it will want to grow in. It likes its feet wet, but on the other hand not too wet. So we purposely created scrapes and ponds, some of which are ephemeral. The water bodies come and go throughout the year. Some ponds are permanent. And we purposely placed the pennyroyal around those ponds in areas that we thought they would take to.
Binnegar Quarry is now a vital link in a 5-mile-long chain of biodiversity across 250 hectares of beautiful Dorset.